Located in southern Brazil, Porto Alegre is a vibrant and dynamic city offering visitors a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Porto Alegre, the capital of the state of Rio Grande do Sul, is known for its rich heritage and welcoming atmosphere. One of the attractions of Porto Alegre is its stunning scenery. Located on the shores of Lake Guaiba, the city offers breathtaking views and picturesque sunsets. The lake itself provides ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as boating, sailing, and fishing. For those looking for relaxation or fun in the sun, Porto Alegre has several beautiful beaches nearby. Praia do Lamy and Praia do Ipanema are popular with locals and tourists alike. Tourism in Porto Alegre continues to grow as more travelers discover its unique charm. The city offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget-friendly options, so every type of traveler will find something for themselves. Whether you are planning a leisurely vacation or looking for an unforgettable travel experience, there is something for everyone in Porto Alegre. Its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and warm hospitality makes it the perfect destination for those who want to explore Brazil beyond its famous tourist spots.